Mommy help. Mommy help.
Okay, Teacher Charles will help.
Mommy help. Mommy help. Mommy help. 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 Mommy
Okay.
help. Mommy help. Mommy help.
At this side ka, kuya. Okay. Sige.
Are you a teacher child?
Oo. Okay.
Are you
Sige.
a teacher child?
Okay.
I am a teacher child.
Yes, you are now the Teacher Charles and I am the Winter. Oh. So since you are the new Teacher Charles, I want you to teach Teacher Charles how to write. Okay, that's E. Very good. That's N, correct? That's C. Very good, kuya. Okay, that's E. Next.
E for the line.
E.
For
Very
the
good.
line.
Next. After E, we have
G.
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 Okay, next.
R.
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 Correct. Next.
R.
A. Very good, kuya. Oops, don't make unnecessary writing. Sige, next. N. Correct. A. Very good. Next. D. If Teacher Charles will help you, we are going to use another pencil. This one lang, the small one lang. So that it will not cover the other letters. Okay, do that one. Ay, what did I told you? Don't make it lampas, kuya. Okay?
It's down.
It's down. Okay, hold it properly. Hold it properly. You want the big one lang? Sige, I will let you hold the big one, but do it properly. Okay, this one, kuya. D. Look at this one. Kuya, we are doing this one, not that one. You want pencil na lang? Okay, we are going to use the pencil. Sige, continue. This one, A. Kuya, Hoy. Why are you making unnecessary writing? You need to follow the lines, kuya. Okay, next. Sige, go. Okay.
So big.
Ay, R. Okay, next.
So hard.
It's so hard. That is why, gani, di ba, teacher let you, kuya, to choose, kuya, the small one, not the big one. Sige.
Where is it?
Sige.
I want.
Go.
Where's the red one?
That one.
I
Kuha.
want the red.
I want
See,
you to...
red.
Red. This one. Start with this one. Follow it properly. Follow it properly. Look at what you're writing. Go. Go. You are not looking at what we are writing. Look at what we are writing. And. Kuya. Look at this one. Kuya. Uy. Hold it properly. Okay. Sige. Sige, next, kuya. Okay. E. Kuya. Look at me. You are not in focus? Are you sleeping? Hindi. Hindi ka sleepy. So, since you are not sleepy, kuya, what is the condition, gani? The condition is, you need to write, kuya, properly. There's no toys na there. Wala na ang toys. So, make sure, kuya, that you are going to write first in order for you to...
Inside?
Yes po. There's no... Bawal yun siya kunin. Bawal yun siya kunin, kuya. Bawal. Because we have a lesson first, okay? Sige. Sit down na. Before you can play, you need to sit down first and you need to listen to Teacher Charles. Kuya, we have to finish writing, di ba? First. Okay. Kuya, it's not time to play, kuya. We have we have a lesson pa, kuya, to finish writing your name. Kuya. Look at Teacher Charles. What did I told you, kuya? Di ba we have to finish writing before you can play? You have all time to play later. Ha? You have time to play man later. Kuya, put it in your mind, we have to finish writing pa. Okay? We only have 1 hour. It's a very fast time, kuya. And you need to listen to Teacher Charles, okay? So that we can finish early. It's up to your actions, kuya, ha? Okay? Sige. Follow to Teacher Charles, kuya. Okay. It's so hot? Wait na, ha? We're going to move this one. That one. It's not init na. You want to drink water muna for a while? Drink water. So that you have energy to write. Okay? We have to finish all of this one, kuya. After we finish all of this one, automatically, we will finish early. Okay? Sige, kuya.
Truck say I okay with her.
No trucks, ha?
The guys who truck is okay with her.
There's no, ano na there, toys. There's no toys na. Okay? After of our writing, kuya, you can access your toys. Okay? That is why we need to finish mga writing. Okay. Sige, sit down na. Sit down na. Oh, you don't want to sit down? Okay. Kuya, after we finish writing pa, you can play. Okay? After we write, kuya, you can play, man. Teacher will allow you to play, man. What did you promise ganit to your mom? What did you promise to your mom? Di ba you promised to your mom that you will listen to Teacher Charles?
But Winter was so tired.
Oh, that is why, kuya, di ba you are tired? That is why you need to do your task, kuya. Okay, you need to do your task so that we can finish early.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why you don't like it? Okay? Oh, so this one, kuya, if we finish all of this one, we can finish na. Okay? You have a good reward, kuya, if you finish this one. So I want you to try your best, kuya, and write quickly. Okay? Oh, that one. Oh, you follow that one. You need to finish one set of paper, kuya, or isang whole na paper. Okay? Of writing. So that teacher will allow you to play na. Okay? I will let you choose, kuya, kung ano yung sa'yo yung isusulat mo dyan. I will let you choose. Is it this one? This one? Saan yung gusto mo isulat?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Saan yung gusto mo isulat? Choose ka, kuya.
A, C, D, E, F, G.
Sige. Since you know how to sing na, kuya, we are going to write it na. Okay. Sige. Hold the pencil properly. Hold the pencil properly. Hold the pencil. Hold the pencil properly. Very good. That's O. That's P. That's C. D. Next. That's E. Next. F. G. That's H. I. J, kuya. Next.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Toink. Toink.
Okay.
Toink.
Yan, you do that one.
Toink.
You press it properly, kuya. That one.
Toink.
Sige, go. Next. That's M. Next. Very good, that's N. How about this one? Q. Okay. This one. Q. This one, oh. Q. Kuya. Look at this one. Look at this one. We are writing this one. Okay. Oh, hold it properly. Kuya. Kuya, you want me to massage your, your hand? Okay, ha? Okay.
Dami-dami.
What do you mean dami-dami? You want it, all of it? After massaging your hand, you need to write, ha? Okay? Because we need to finish, kuya, writing, kuya, all of this one. Okay? We are doing this, kuya, for you, kuya. Okay? Your mommy and daddy loves you, kuya. That is why they're having you, kuya, the tutor session. So that you know how to write. So that if you will go to school, kuya, you know how to write na.
Dami.
Okay? So hindi ka mahihirapan, kuya.
Dami.
Okay? Sige. So after massaging your hand, kuya, automatically we are going to write na, ha? Okay. I want you to hold the pencil properly, kuya, and we are going to write your name, kuya. I don't do that one, kuya. It's not a proper way to write. Okay. This one. Saan ang gusto mong isulat? This one. Hold this one properly, kuya, and teacher will help you write your name, kuya. Kuya, don't do that one. Kuya, di ba you have a promise to your mom?
But Peter wants to know.
Winter wants what?
Long one.
Long one of what?
Long.
What kind of long?
This one long.
Long?
Yeah.
You make it short lang, kuya, so that it will be, kuya, how do you say this one? Fitly joined siya, kuya, dito. Okay, it will fit properly, kuya. Kuya, don't do that one, kuya. Okay? I want you to hold the pencil properly. Teacher Charles will help you. Okay? Why do you feel tired, kuya? What did you do pala last night?
But.
But what?
I want to so hungry. I was hungry.
You're so hungry? You didn't eat pa? Kuya, this one, kuya. I will call your dad, kuya, to have your food, kuya, if you finish all of this one, writing lang. Okay? So, you need to do it, kuya, properly. And you need to do it faster, kuya. Kuya. This one, hold this pencil. Okay, give me a reason why you don't want to hold this pencil. Ha? Why you don't want to hold this pencil?
I want a monster.
Ay, kuya, monster will not help you, kuya. Monster will not help you know to write, kuya. Okay? Monster will distract you, kuya. That is why we are studying, kuya, on how to write, kuya, your name. Okay?
What happened?
This one, we erased this one last time, so that is why yun yung nangyari. Okay? Kuya. Yeah. Kuya. Kuya. We need to write, kuya. 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 Okay? This one, choose ka dyan ng pencil that you want. Choose ka ng pencil. Choose ka ng pencil na gusto mo. Go. Pili ka so that you can write. This one. That one. Pili ka. Choose a pencil that you want. Sige. We are going to write your name, ha? Teacher Charles will do this one. Sige. Open it, kuya. Open it.
L.
That's L. Very good. That's L. Correct, kuya? We are going to write na. This one. Hold it. Hold this one. Kuya. Kuya. Okay. Hold this one properly. Hold this one properly. Kuya. Kuya, you are not listening to teacher Charles. Kuya, you are not listening to teacher Charles, kuya. Okay, look at this one. Kuya. Kuya. Hold this one. Ay, nako. Sit down in here.
Chop. Chop.
Okay. Sit down in here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down muna. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Kuya, sit down. Sit down properly.
Mommy, serious.
Kuya, you need to write. You promise your mom that you are going to write, kuya? You are not fulfilling the promise of your mom.
But Victor was so tired.
Okay. Di ba teacher allowed you to rest for a while? Oh. That is why, kuya, you need to finish writing so that we can finish early. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Kuya. Don't flip another page na, kuya. Okay. Sige. This one. This one na lang. Choose in here. Yeah. Where are you going? What do you want there? We cannot use this one because there's no marker. There's no toys na, kuya. Okay? Later you can access the toys. You will have toys, kuya. Sige na, later na. Later na, kuya. After we finish writing.
This book.
Later na, after we finish writing.
This book. This book.
This one, no.
Yes.
Ano na? Kuya, listen to teacher Charles. We need to write, kuya.
This book.
There's no space book there.
It looks like a space.
Mm.
It looks like a space book. There's other one.
There's other one.
Look.
Okay. So for this one, kuya, I want you to follow, kuya, with your finger, kuya, on how to write the number. This one, use this finger. 0. You do this one. No, this hand, kuya. 0. That's 0. Next. Oops, baliktad. You should start with this one. 1. Saan? Very good. Next, 2. Oops, baliktad. You do this one at the top. 2. Next, 3. How to write 3? Very good. Oops, 3. Very good. Next, 4. How do you write 4?
Sad.
How do you write 4?
It's sad.
Opo. How do you write 4? Very good. This one, you do this one. Okay, that's 4. Next, how do you write 5? How do you write 5? How do you write 5?
Look at the car.
This is the core, kuya. Okay.
The truck. It's in winter.
It's the same, the truck of winter, right? This is ambulance. Okay? Listen to teacher. Listen to teacher Charles. If you will not write, kuya, you don't know how to write this one, kuya. If you don't learn, kuya, how to write, you will not know how to write this one, kuya. Okay? That is why you need to practice writing. So that you know how to spell this one and you know how to write this one. Okay? So di ba teacher allowed you to play without you writing?
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
So for this time, kuya, we are going to close this one because you need to write first muna. This is a piano.
A piano.
Okay, so we are going to close this one muna, kuya. Di ba teacher allowed you, kuya, to play? Kuya. Teacher allowed you to play even though you didn't write pa. That is why you need to write muna before you can open this one again. Okay.
I want beach.
You want beach.
I want beach.
Write it muna.
I want the beach.
If you want a beach, write it. This one.
There.
Follow this one. Follow that line. Very good. Okay.
6, 7.
Okay. Okay. Sige, kuya. Okay. Put down your feet, kuya. Put down your feet. Kuya, put down your feet. Okay. Sit up straight, sit up straight. 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 Yan, you do that one. Okay. Sit up straight. Kuya, don't push it. Ay, kuya. Okay. This one. Sige.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Kuya,
I don't like it paper.
you don't like paper? Oh, what do you want, man? No, we cannot use that one, kuya. Okay? This one. Kuya, you are not following Teacher Charles anymore.
But I was so tired.
Yes, kuya. Yes, you are tired. Teacher know that one. That is why, kuya, teacher is helping you out, kuya, that we can finish early. Okay? So that you can rest. But you are not trying your best, kuya, to write your name, kuya. So it means, kuya, you are making it hard for yourself. Okay?
I was so tired to draw.
This one. Later na. You always keep on opening that one without writing. Before you can open that one, you need to write first. Write muna, kuya. Kuya, I let you see the context of that book ba, kuya, ha? Okay. So you need to write muna before you can see it again. Okay. This one. Kuya, try your best, kuya. Okay? Try to do it, kuya. Okay? Wait lang. Ay. Don't throw the lapis, the pencil. Okay. Sige, kuya, ha? I will let you hold this one. Kuya. I need your full attention and participation, kuya. Kuya, remove muna the toys, the play to your mind, kuya. Because you have a reward man later. You have a reward later if you are going to follow the instruction of Teacher Charles. Okay?
It's like magic.
It's like a magic. So hold this one so that you have the magic in your hand, kuya. Hold this one, kuya, and we are going to write your name, kuya. Okay.
No.
Sige na. We are not going to write na. Kuya. Kuya. What did you do pala kagabi? What did you do, kuya, at night? You watch, kuya? Dapat you sleep early because you know, diba, that we have a class today? You didn't know that we have a class today? Kuya, give me reason daw why you don't want to write aside that you are tired, kuya. You don't want to write talaga? Why you don't want to write? It's hard for you to write?
Yeah.
Di ba Teacher Charles is here to help you write, kuya? You are not kuya, you are not letting Teacher Charles help you. You always keep saying that you are tired. Okay? Teacher Charles is helping you, man. Teacher Charles is encouraging you to write properly. But you always keep saying hard, kuya. Even though Teacher Charles already helped you. Okay? Kuya, we are going to finish lang one line lang of your name, the Winter Lawrence Granada. Ha? Kuya. We are going to finish it.
No.
You don't want talaga?
But I don't so tired.
You're so tired? From time to time, kuya, you always tired lang, kuya. You always keep saying that one when we have lesson.
But it was too hard.
It's still hard for you?
Yeah, the pencil. I want new one.
You want a new one? If teacher will give you a new one, you are going to write na? Bantay ha. Teacher will give you a new one. Automatically, you are going to write. Okay?
Uh,
Teacher will...
bigger, bigger, bigger.
Okay. Teacher will provide you a new one.
Mommy.
Teacher will give you a new one. Automatically, you are going to write it na. Sige. This one. Kuya, don't do that one, Kuya. Okay? Sige. So, we are going to start with this one. So, W. Ay, Kuya. It's not good thing to do, Kuya. Kuya, it's not good thing to do this one. It's not good thing to do this one. Di ba we are using the pencil, Kuya, to write? Not to do this one. Not to do this one. Okay? It's not good to do this one, Kuya, ha? You don't like it? So instead use this pencil na lang. Instead use this pencil na lang. Okay? Kuya. Kuya. You can do it, man. I know you can. Okay? You are a smart boy, Kuya. You are smart and you know how to do it, Kuya. Kuya. You can do it. Teacher believes in you. Huh? Teacher have faith in you that you know that you can write, Kuya, someday. Kuya. You don't like it talaga? Isa lang, isa lang. Kuya, we are going to write your name, Kuya. Teacher Charles will help you, man. Kuya. Ay. Kuya, when is the right time that you want to write pala? What time you want to write? New paper and new pencil? Sure ka? If you are not going to write, I will not let you I will not let you play forever, ha?
Bye.
Ha?
Bye.
I will provide a new paper and a pencil. If you are not going to write, Kuya, automatically I will not let you play. What are you looking there? Ayan na. What do you want in here, man? This one?
No.
Sit down there. Ay, you want to play lang man pala. Kaya, sit down na. Let's see. Yeah. Oops. Kuya. Kuya. We are not playing, Kuya. Okay? Kuya. Kuya. Sit down na. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down na. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Kuya. You are not listening to the instruction of Teacher Charles. You know that one? You are not following the instruction of Teacher Charles. Di ba you promised to me? You promised to me. Did you remember it?
But teacher was tired to draw now.
You're tired, huh? What time that you are not tired, kuya? What time you are not tired? Kuya. 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 Kuya Winter. We are going to finish lang one line of your name. We are going to finish one line. Yes, kuya. Teacher already saw this one. We are going to finish one line of your name. Automatically, we are finished na.
Fix a motor.
Yes po. Let's fix a motor. Kuya. Kuya. We are going to finish lang one line of your name. Automatically, we are finished na. We are going to finish, kuya, one line of your name. Automatically, we're finished na. Kuya. Sige.
There was a suko.
Sit down na sa kanya. We are going to finish one line of your name lang. Automatically, we are finished na. We are going to finish one line of your name. Si Kuya Winter, sit down. Sit down na. Kuya. We are going to finish one line of your name lang. Kuya Winter. You want to write in here? Dito ka magsulat? We are going to finish one line of your name lang, kuya. Hold this one. 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 Sit down in your house. Sit down. Dito ka, sit down. Sit down. Kuya. Isa lang, one line of your name lang. Sit down. Sit down na. I want you to sit down there. Okay. Oh, we are not going to write now. We are not going to write.
But I want it.
You want what?
I want chocolate.
You want chocolate? Very, very, very loudly. Look at Teacher Charles. Look at Teacher Charles, kuya. Teacher Charles is helping you, kuya. Kuya, look at Teacher Charles. Look at Teacher Charles. Look at Teacher Charles. Look at Teacher Charles muna. Look at Teacher Charles. Kuya.
Where is that?
Who
Who is that?
This one. It's a whole thing. You can remove that. Yeah. Yeah.
There's more.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Listen muna kay Teacher Charles, babe. Kuya. Listen muna kay Teacher Charles. Kuya. 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 Yeah. Look at Teacher Charles. Is Teacher Charles very strict? Is Teacher Charles strict? Not. I am strict. I let you, I allowed you to play, man. Yeah. Is Teacher Charles strict? Huh?
What I want.
You want what? Yeah. Is Teacher Charles strict?
I like it.
Is Teacher Charles making the lesson hard? But what do you think about Winter? Is Winter participating well or not? Winter is not participating. Because Winter is always saying it's hard. Yeah. And this one, okay.
The winter dog.
This is fossils.
Oh, that's scary.
It's the bone, kuya, of the animals. This one, what do you think of this one?
I can say what? I want mommy.
No. This one, kuya, the boy is saying, I wish I knew. It means, kuya, he's asking a question. Why is Teacher Charles making me right? Oh, that's what he's asking, kuya. How about this one? No. The girl and the boy, kuya, are playing. Have you ever tried to play this game, kuya? Have you ever tried to play this game? Have you ever tried to play? How about this one? This is City Lights. Have you tried to see this one, kuya?
The swing.
This is the swing.
What is that?
So this one, kuya.
It looks like a pencil.
How about this one? What do you think of this one? What do you think of this one? This is sick day. There's a sounds kuya. Sige. So for this one, kuya, what do you think of this one? This is a beaver. You know what's a beaver? Okay.
Look. It's orange. And one.
Okay.
Circle.
This one, look at this one muna. Look at this one muna. Look at this one.
What is that?
Santa Claus.
Oh, she's calling?
What is this one? Santa Claus is just like Teacher Charles. Teacher Charles is scolding the snowman because the snowman don't want to ride it, which is the snowman that is Winter. So dapat, so that Santa Claus will not scold the snowman should write his name, know how to write his name. So also, Winter should.
Sun.
Oh, this is sun.
Why does the bus go round and round and round?
So this is the wheels on the bus, kuya. Okay?
Look. They're in the moon.
No, they are at the earth, kuya.
They're in the earth. No, this is the moon.
Okay. So for this one,
They're in
kuya.
the earth. They're on the earth too.
Yes, they are on the earth. So different yung.
It looks like why is she eating food now?
That's Humpty Dumpty. Okay?
And she wants to eat the food.
Yes po.
That's why.
So in order for you to eat the food, kuya, you need to write your name first.
Okay. On the bunny and the dog. Okay, yo. On the bridge. The bridge is